Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you 5 beautiful paid icon packs for Android. So without more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So on the first list we have the Incline icon pack. So just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for app name Incline icon pack. Just tap on it. So you can see on the first list Incline icon pack. So this is a paid application, so I have already purchased it, and you can see here open. So on opening you can see this kind of interface, and you can see a total of 2087 icon packs, and even I have applied this and I'm using right now this Incline icon pack on my Android smartphones. So this is really very unique and beautiful icon packs that you should definitely give it a try. So on the second list we have the Adobe icon pack. So once again just open the Play Store and just search for a name Adobe icon pack. So on the first list you will see the Adobe icon pack. So you can see here, so this is also a paid icon pack. So I have already purchased it, but I have not installed it. So you can see the preview by clicking on the preview how the icon pack looks like. So it's a rounded square shaped icons which looks really beautiful. So if you like rounded square shaped icons just like the iOS devices, then you can definitely give it a try. So in my opinion, this is also very beautiful looking icon packs that you should definitely give it a try. On the third list we have the Inix icon pack. So once again open the Play Store and just search the name Inix icon pack. So on the first list you will see this icon pack name. So you can see here, so it's in the early access, but still this is also a paid icon pack. So you can see here in the below you can see the icon pack previews. So you can see it looks very beautiful and modern looking. So it does not have any borders, so you can call it a borderless icon packs. So if you prepare a borderless icon packs and very beautiful looking colorful icon packs, even it has a dark and light mode also. If you prepare a dark mode and light mode also, you can get on this icon pack. So in my opinion, this is also very beautiful looking icon packs that you should definitely give it a try. On the fourth list we have the Proti icon pack. So once again just open the Play Store and just search for a name Proti icon pack. So on the first list you will see the application, just tap on it. So this is also a paid icon pack, and you can see the preview. So it also looks very beautiful and modern. So you can see a tons of icons previews right now, you can see. So in my opinion, this is also a very good looking icon pack. If you are in a need of a beautiful looking icon packs, then you should definitely give it a try, this icon packs also, as it is also very good looking and it does not have any borders. So it also looks like a borderless icon pack. So in my opinion, you should definitely give it a try. On the fifth list we have the Norma icon pack. So once again open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for the app name as Norma icon pack. On the first list you will see the application name, just tap on it. So I have purchased this before, so right now you can see it installed. So this is also a paid applications. So you can see here the preview of the respective icon pack. So it also looks very modern, and this is also a borderless icon packs. So if you prepare a borderless icon packs and want to try it, then definitely you can give it a try too. In my opinion, it's also very good looking icon packs. Even you can see our rating also, it's showing a 5-star rating. So in my opinion, the reviews also are very good, getting a very good reviews from the users also. So you can definitely give it a try if you are willing to try a beautiful looking icon pack. So these are the 5 beautiful paid icon packs for Android. So in my opinion, you should definitely try any one of these icon packs if you are willing to have a beautiful looking paid icon packs for your Android smartphones. So if you find this video information useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.